I require more coffee.
That's the third time tonight.
Mug's emotional support.
No refills for the Sky customers.
I am not paid enough for intergalactic caffeine drama.
Please tell me the mug is not doing that thing again.
It is absolutely doing that thing again. Okay, it says, do not encourage the mug.
Too late. It has self-esteem now.
The register just put the mug on emergency status.
Great. Even the cash register is afraid of it.
Is this where the caffeine emergency is? Technically, it's more of a mug situation.
Breathe. The coffee is not contagious.
Then why did I run here?
How bad is the caffeine emergency? At this point, emotionally, very bad.
The machine skipped panic and went straight to violence. That is way too many cappuccinos at once.
It's getting worse! Let's shut it down!
I think the machine just declared war on us!
Somebody unplug it before it learns emotions.
Target!
Why is the mug faster than us?
I think it upgraded itself!